Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm not gonna show you this mani yet. You will see it coming up, I promise. But what I want to show and share with you today is the cutest little e-file ever, and I'm going to get to that here in a minute. This is just going to be a basic filing video, but I do want to do a demo and a review of this drill that I was sent. It was sent to me by a seller on Amazon, but I was really intrigued because it's such a low price point, so I wanted to see if it was any good and give it my full thought. So that's what I'm going to do with you guys in just a minute. The mani that you see me filing, though, will be uploaded on July 2nd. I know that seems like so far away, but I do film in advance, so that's when you're going to see that one. But right now, I'm just going in with my Makartt 100-100 grit nail file. I will leave everything linked in the description box below for you guys, including the colors that I'm wearing. It is, I believe, oh my God, is it Blue Lagoon? I think it's Blue Lagoon and Chrome On from iGel Beauty. If you guys can't tell by now, I have a considerable obsession with iGel. So I'm just going to go ahead and get filed up real quick, and I'm going to come back in just a bit, and we're going to talk all about this e-file that I found. It was in my 10K giveaway. So Latrice, if you're watching, you're going to have to let me know how you like it. Latrice won my giveaway, which was awesome and epic, and I'm so excited about it. But yeah, so I'm going to keep filing. I'll be right back with you guys. File. It's by a company called Lucky Fine. The price point on this drill is $35.99 right now as I'm doing this voiceover, and they were so kind and gave me a coupon for it, which saves you $4, so it'll be $31.99, and it comes with so much stuff. You get the e-file, you get a ton of bits, you get mani bits and petty bits, you get a whole bunch of sanding bands. I'm not a really big sanding band person, but you get them. You're also going to get nail forms in case you want to play around with the nail forms, and you're going to get a whole set of these gel brushes. I mean, you could use them for nail art, I guess, but I would think it was a safe bet to say they were gel brushes. So it's a lot. You're getting a lot. You're getting the charger, of course, which is a USB. It's got a forward and a rear control, which I'll show you in more detail here in just a bit. And you're going to see me use it. I'm going to do a whole demo. I did not use the bits that came in this kit at all. I used my own bits, so there wasn't anything contaminated, I promise. But I did want, of course, to try it out before I gave it away. So yes, I tried it. It works. It works really well, actually, and we're going to go through the whole thing here in a minute. But no, I did not use the bits it came with. Judging from the way the bits look, they look just like my favorite bits that I use all the time. You can find similar bits, if not identical, in my Amazon favorites list. That'll be in the description box for you guys. I'm going to go ahead and start e-filing my mani because why not? I have to e-file anyway. Why not use the one they gave me to do it? So you're not going to see this part in that video I'll have done my e-filing quote off camera. You're just going to see it here. And all I can tell you is this drill works very well. It's not, of course, it's a small unit. It's not going to have the torque or the power. I'm on Amazon right now and I'm trying to see if it'll tell me what kind of RPMs this thing has. I will find out and let you know. Oh, 20,000 RPM. I think my iGel Beauty one goes up to 30 or 35,000 RPM, so it's not quite as powerful. I think this would be actually a fantastic beginner e-file. If you've been wanting to take the plunge and jump into an e-file, but you don't want to make a huge commitment, you know, by spending 100, 200, 300 and upwards dollars on a big, powerful e-file, this one may be a good e-file to grab and try out and see if it's something that you like, because you know what? You may get an e-file and decide it's not for you. It's such a personal preference. Some people love hand filing. Some people love e-filing. Me, you know me, I'm the e-file girl. And this I would absolutely highly recommend. Marlakris stamp of approval. If you are a beginner and need a good e-file to start with, I would highly, highly, highly recommend. I am going to let you guys have your Zen moment watching me e-file, and I'll be right back with you guys for some final thoughts. And you'll get a sneak peek at the mani, so stick around. See, didn't even take too much time. Now it's filed, all good to go. Love it. Love it. What a great little beginner file. I love it. I hope you guys found this helpful. I'll see you in the next vid. Love you. Bye.